How to activate Money Manager. Acorns Money Manager puts your money on autopilot by smartly splitting your money across your investing, saving, and spending, all in one place. Here's how you can activate Money Manager to make every dollar work for today, tomorrow, and your future. From the Acorns app home screen, scroll down to Meet Money Manager and tap Learn More. Then tap Next. Here, we'll ask you a few questions about you and your money to get a holistic view of your finances. After answering those questions, we'll set up all the accounts that Money Manager needs to get to work. Once all your accounts are set up, you'll be able to review how Money Manager smartly splits your income into 3 categories: investing into your Invest and Later accounts, saving into your emergency savings account, and spending into your checking account. Once you've reviewed and are ready to go, just tap Turn on Money Manager to continue. Now that you've got it turned on, we'll help you set up a way to fund it. There are 2 ways: through direct deposit, like your paycheck, or through a recurring deposit from a bank account. To set up direct deposit, first tap Direct Deposit, and then Set up Direct Deposit. Tap Get Started, then choose your payroll provider from the list. Log in securely with your work credentials, the same ones you use to access your pay stub or payroll portal, and follow the prompts to connect your paycheck to Money Manager and automatically split your money. You can also fund Money Manager with a recurring deposit. To do that, tap Recurring Deposit. Next, you'll choose your preferred amount and frequency. Finally, tap Turn On to save your new recurring deposit. After you've set up your funding source, we'll now give you the option to turn off any previous roundups or recurring investment settings, since Money Manager will now do all the investing and saving for you. That's it, you're all set. Money Manager will now split every paycheck or deposit according to your settings. Money Manager defaults to a suggested split based on widely recognized personal finance principles shared by our team of experts. But you have total control over your money and can edit it at any time. Here's how. Scroll down on your home screen and tap the Money Manager leaf. Next, tap Edit Settings. Tap each category and use the adjuster to set your custom split percentages. Tap Review, then save any changes. From this screen, you also have the ability to edit your milestones. Milestones are specific financial goals that Money Manager will help you work towards over time. Tap the pencil to edit or update your milestones. Everyone's money journey is unique, and with Money Manager, you can feel confident knowing every dollar is working towards your future. Let's grow your oak.